Hello everyone. It is Mrs. Royboy and Mr. Royboy, and we are here at Riggs
Fabrication
and Restoration Shop.
She forgot the name already. We're on the way from Wichita down to Wimberley, Texas for the Hot Rod Showdown. We're gonna do a couple shop visits along the way. Here's the first one, and we're gonna check out some stuff they've got going on inside. I took over her intro here. I'm sorry, baby. I won't do that next time. Let's see what's inside. It's gonna be a very cool ride.
Yeah, have you seen the rendering online? I think he just posted it yesterday.
I'll have to go look at it.
So Bruce's rod shop did the hard lines. They're worthy of, and the dash is worthy of catching
A little bit of detail. All right, let's take a look here.
So you use a guitar pick guard.
Yeah.
Make that insert, and then he has two little buttons on the side. And so the guitar pick guard form all across the front.
Oh yeah, I forgot about those hard lines that Bruce makes. Those are clean.
The guy down there used to make those. They're gorgeous. They're AC lines. Oh, there you go.
Pretty cool paint booth decoration. And a chassis for a Model A here. Nice how it's all hidden down there behind the running board. And very
that's
cool.
candy on the powder coating. That's about what color the truck's going to be.
Very cool.
It's too bad everything's coated in dust. That's what happens when it's cold. They don't open the doors.
Right? Well, it's kind of hard to not have things dusty when you're actually doing work.
Well, that's the funny part is like they'll get frustrated with the body guys making dirt. And I'm like, well, the more dirt they make, the more money they make.
So hopefully next year on that, right? You know?
Chassis in the parking lot.
What kind of chassis did you get for it?
I got a RJ Speed Shop chassis.
Oh, yeah?
Yep.
We need to talk to Corey, see if he ever got his truck back after Grand National.
He did not. He got a new truck.
All kinds of stuff being worked on here. Bunch of different trucks. We've got the, 69 to 71, 55, 56, another 69 to 71. Plus we've got Mustang and Chevelle, and I'm guessing, okay, Cobra. I was gonna guess MG, but yeah, that's pretty cool.
Factory 5.
Oh, cool. Life-size model kit, right?
Yeah.
This
Mach 1, I was really proud of him. He came in and he goes, "Can I put a 6-speed manual transmission in here and get rid of this automatic?" And I'm like, "I like you." I like you. So we made this now. And I don't get to use it every day like I thought I would when I bought it. Well, and then ironically, I bought another one. So one of the guys.
Well, that was very cool. We spent too much time just BSing and not enough time looking at cool stuff. We're going to see if we can make it to another shop. He has to leave, so we might not have a second one here, but we'll try to get that done. Let's hit the road.